Oh, hi. I got my iPhone 8 battery along with all those essential tools that I'm going to need to change the battery in it. I go to a website and it shows you exactly how to take your phone apart to get the battery in it, which I'm sure is going to be a problem, but I can do it. I think that's fast service. Got it within 2 days. And I went, let's see here. Oh, you can go to a website and it shows you exactly how to fix it. So there shouldn't be no problem really. I went to RepairPartsPlus .com to order my kit, and I had it within 2 days. So that was great. Just getting the time to do it before my phone goes dead. Yeah. Thanks.